everybody, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today I've got another box from the lovely Brambles of Hull. This one's a little bit different to the ones that I've been doing. This is their Beltane box, and it's a large box costing, I think it was £45. Okay, I do love their boxes. I love the way they're wrapped, and I love this like little ribbon that they put on, really pretty. Okay, so we get on with unwrapping this. Okay, so we're nearly there, and as you can see, it says there, Brambles of Hull, Witch's Beltane surprise box filled with useful items and gifts for a witch and her altar. And it's a single subscription box, meaning it's like a one-off purchase, but they do have the boxes every month, and they do change the products every month, so it's unlikely you'll get the same thing twice in these boxes, because no one likes repeat items, do they? Okay. So, let's go on with opening, and show you. Okay, so we're all open now. We've got this like lovely kind of like lemony and lime tissue paper there. Just closing on me. Okay, so I'm just going to pull everything out because there is quite a bit in here. Kind of, I don't know, raise that a bit. So we've got the paperwork here. So it says Beltane, Spirits and Fairies. I don't know if that's the theme, maybe. It says on certain nights, fairies and spirits roam the world. Beltane, is one time famed for fairy raids and a wild hunt. Ghosts and other spirits are also believed to travel freely on this night. Okay, so that's about the bit about the Beltane, Spirits and Fairies, and then we've also got a lot of info here about Beltane hours and days, which is April the 30th to May the 31st. Okay, so it's quite a lot of info to read. Obviously I'm not going to sit here and read it all, but it's about like making charm boxes and things like that, trees, quite interesting really. And there's that lovely, I'll just show you the picture of that, it's quite pretty, lovely image. And then we've got, what's this one? Oh, this is some more info about the like flowers and rituals. So there's quite a lot of paperwork to read, which I will certainly do later. I'd also like to, I'll actually just show you what I'm now seeing in the box, because it's all like lovely wrapped gifts. It always is. She's just so amazing. She wraps everything up. Got higher, I think. You just see, look all like presents. Every time I get one of these boxes, it's a bit like Christmas. Okay, so I'll pull out the unwrapped stuff first. Oh wow. So it says free gifts, a hippie bracelet and green stud earrings. As you can see, I do like my kind of hippie-ish bracelets. We just take these out of the bag. So we've got this orange and blue one. Very pretty. And then the little earrings here. So they're like an emerald kind of greenish colour, or maybe like a white. Very pretty. But these are actually free gifts because I have brought quite a lot of stuff from her. So she does like put some free bits in every now and again. Okay, what have we got here? Wow, this is a big bag of stuff. It says crystals for your Beltane altar. And then on here with a lovely moon charm, it says a Beltane ritual and altar kit, crystals, herbs and candles, etc. Okay, so let's open up this if I can. It's got like a little tie on it, so kind of, okay, I'll just get this open. Okay, so that took me a while, but I got there in the end, and it's open. Wow. Okay, so this is like a box in itself, really. Never mind the other stuff. So we've got some Oak King incense sticks, and this has 20 sticks in it. The scent is white sage. So let's have a sniff. I do love these. Let's have a smell. One. Okay, very biggish, long-lasting sticks. Okay, sweet, kind of like a sweet scent to them. Very nice. So I might give them a try later while I'm cleaning. Okay, we've got a scroll. Imagine this is like a spell. A lovely, okay, green leaf there. Yeah, it's a belt. We've got a Beltane ritual. I'll show you briefly. That kind of tells you what to do with the products that she's included. I'd also like to add as well, hopefully, Brambles of Hull is an actual shop, and they have managed to open today. If ever I'm over that way in Hull, I will gladly be visiting. Okay, we've got some crystals. Is it crystals for your Beltane altar? I'm guessing obviously you can kind of use it with the ritual. Let's see what we've got. We've got bloodstone. Oh, whoops, I'll take them out. This one says bloodstone. Kind of like a bluish greeny colour. Need to put that back so I know which one that is. I love these pretty little bags too. We've got carnelian, that's what energy. And that one's like a more of a brownish, reddish colour. And we've got, what's the last one? We've got a green aventurine, that's how you say it. This one's like a light, kind of clearish, almost see-through green. That one. Okay. And oh, we've got a herb and crystal infused altar candle. I'll just take that out briefly if I can. There's the opening. There we go. Oops, and the cat's just come in. Oh, I can smell it even through the bag actually. It's lovely. Very pretty. So there's also a bit about candles there and the colours. And there's one more thing in a little bag before I get onto the present unwrapping. We've got rose petals. Quite a big bag there. Yeah, I definitely smell like dried rose petals, those. Obviously good in love spells too, among other things, rituals and things like that. So I'll just put everything back in this bag. Okay, let's get on to the rest of the box. There's so much stuff in here. Exciting. Okay, everything's wrapped in this yellow paper and like loads of gifts. I love it. I love treating myself to things like this. Okay, oh, we've got some dragon blood resin incense, and it's actual charcoal disc incense, kind of what you actually burn with a disc. And I love the smell of dragon's blood. I used to, like when I was little, and going to Affleck's Palace and other like you know, like alternative shops, like browsing, and I used to always smell that smell when you walk in, and I didn't realise until a few years ago that that smell was actually dragon's blood. It's that kind of like herby, mysterious smell, but when you go into like alternative shops and things, they've always got dragon's blood burning, and like I say, it did take me a few years to realise what the scent were, but I absolutely love it. It's probably one of my favourite scents when it comes to incense and things like that. Hard to describe it, but it's one of my favourites. Okay, let's go over the smell. Oh, we've also got some coloured candles there. We've got green, red and white. And there's 6 in there. Oh, okay. We've got incense and oil fragrances. So we've got patchouli and a rose blossom oil. This is the patchouli one, which I haven't got this one. I haven't got the rose one either. So, oh, that's strong. So it's really, really strong. Ooh, that's high off that. And then the rose blossom. Let's have a smell. Ooh. Don't think I've really ever smelled patchouli before, but it's very strong. And yeah, oh, that's strong too. Lovely kind of rose scent there. So there's those 2. And okay, I'll go on these. I'll go with a little box one. I did get a list, like an inventory of what would be in this box, but I haven't read it. I don't need to. I'd rather have a surprise and sent on my way. Wow! So I've got a beautiful fairy ornament there. I absolutely love little fairies and unicorns and my little ornaments. That's gorgeous. It's fairy treasures. I'm not going to take her out of the box because I don't want to damage her. But yep, you can clearly see it's beautiful little fairy there. She's got like her arms over her legs and like pink wings. Very, very pretty. I'm pretty sure my little girl will have her eyes on that one. Okay, what we've got here? Let's go to this one. Possibly it is candle shaped, so maybe something else. It's in a tin. Okay. Ooh. Oh, okay. You've got a bag full of incense cones in a tin. I've never seen them in a tin before. Oh wow, there's a huge bag full. I'm not going to open the bag just yet because obviously I'll open it when I use them, but you can see they're really big, like big, massive cones there. And I can smell it, yeah, I can smell them a bit through the bag. And there's the nature's rose, and the tin's pretty cool too. I like that. And get the lid back on. There we go. Just show you the picture on it too. There's that one. And there's still quite a few things in here. Yep, so I've got 3 more things to open. This one is... Ooh. It says made in China, Spirit of Equinox. Oh, hello. So, to use these on, we've got this. This is like, I think it's kind of like a Mr. Tree Man. Oh, oops. Yep, there he is. How cool is this? Look at that. That is just so cool. And then is that like, right, yeah. So this attachment piece will sit on his head, and then you sit him on this, and then the cone incense will go in there, I'm guessing. That's so cool. I like that. Gosh, this damn cough will go away. Like when I was coughing, that like doesn't go away. Kind of like comes around the start of April and doesn't go till September. Right. So that's 2 items, and we've got a tall one, and we've got a big one. I think we'll go with this one. Let's have a look. It's a back. Ooh, wow. It says fairy tales do come true. And it's like the fairy there with the dragon. That's lovely. And the back is the hanging thing. It's gorgeous. Wow. Okay, so last item, I think. Check. Yep, last one. This one is quite light. Let's see what we've got. Ooh, I think we have like a one. So one. Be careful with this. Oh wow. So it's like the tree man again. And yeah, that's a beautiful wand there. Just look at that detail on the face there. It's amazing. Okay, so that's everything. And this is the large Beltane box again. So quick recap of everything that I've got. There we go. So I got the wand. I've got the candles, the gorgeous little fairy, the dragon's blood incense, the gorgeous fairy picture, incense, rose, the backflow incense, the tree man backflow burner, the ritual bag with lots of stuff in there, and the bracelet, the earrings, and lots and lots of stuff about Beltane and rituals. Oh, and the 2 oils too. And there's my my paperwork is here. Lots of paperwork to get through. So yep, another very, very happy unboxing from Brambles of Hull. And like I say, hopefully their actual shop should be open today too, as well as them being online on Etsy and Facebook. And I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a like and also comments and subscribe as well to my channel. Thanks for watching and bye for now.